Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Unlock iOS Tech. If your apps are stuck or loading, waiting, or just not operating after the latest iOS update, don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix step by step. So let's get started. So before going to start, you make sure like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that. So the first check is that you just have to just go to settings and check that you are connected with your Wi-Fi or not. So just make sure your internet connection so apps not download or open properly without stable network. So turn on your Wi-Fi and wait a few seconds and turn it on back. So just going to the Wi-Fi and just turn off your Wi-Fi and just wait for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, you just have to turn it on. After turning it on, just connect with your Wi-Fi. So you also switch to mobile data or turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds. So if you are on a mobile data, you just turn on your airplane mode and again after 30 seconds turn it off. So now try opening the app again. If it's working, that's good. If it's not working, just have to just go back and follow the second step. You restart your iPhone, just press the power button and the volume up button, and after restart your iPhone, you just again try to disconnect with your Wi-Fi and again connect with your Wi-Fi and check that it's work. So after that, you have to just check your storage. So many users are facing issue because they have not enough storage in your iPhone. So just have to just check your iPhone storage. Just go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Just like that, I have enough storage. You see that I have 30 GB plus free of storage in my iPhone. So that's why my app gonna work properly. So in your case, if not working, so you see that you have enough space in your iPhone maybe or not. So if the app still saying waiting or shows us spinning circles, try pausing and resuming it. Tap and hold the app icon, then tap pause, download. Just like that, and some app is downloading right that. And just have to just I'm gonna show. So just have to just go to App Store and I'm gonna see you a demo. So just going to the apps, just randomly app I'm gonna show you. Just like that, I'm gonna download that one. So it's gonna verify first of all. So it's on downloading. So let's go to that one app and see that. So just wait. I'm gonna go and just done it. So you just have to just if app still saying waiting or showing a spinning circles, just like that, and you have to just pause it and wait a few seconds and tap it again to resume. So just after that, see the loading and just wait. So after some time, it's gonna working and it's gonna downloading the app. So you can also delete the app completely and install it from the app store if it's not working. So just have just press that and just have just cancel the download and after again going to the app store and again download it. So this refresh your download sessions. So also make sure that you have low power mode is turned off. Just have to just go a bar and see the option of a low power mode. So it's not showing in my bar. So just have to just go to settings. So just going to just go to the wait for the battery settings and see the option of a low power mode. So make sure that it's turn it off. So if nothing works, restart your network settings. So just go back and just going to general section and it's going to scroll it down and you see the option of a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After reset your network settings, just connect with your Wi-Fi again and finally check for another software update. So just have to just go to the software update and check that you have any update of the software of iOS or not. If having, just update your latest iOS version update. So after that, one of these methods will maybe fix your app stuck on loading after the iOS updates. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more iPhone fixes. That's the video.